Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you that how you can fix Silent Hill 2 shuttering, freezing, FPS stop problem. So here are some solutions that players have found to work. Now the first solution is update graphic drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphic drivers are one of the primary reasons for performance issues. For NVIDIA use GeForce Experience or manually download. For AMD use AMD Adrenalin or download from AMD Sport. For Intel use the Intel driver. So once you updated your driver, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, the next solution that you can try is check system requirement. Ensure your system meets or exceeds the minimum requirement. Low-end system may struggle with the performance. Check both minimum or recommended requirements, especially the CPU, GPU, and RAM. Now the third solution is low in-game graphics setting. If your system is struggling, adjust the following in-game setting: resolution. Lower the game resolution, try 1080p. If higher, VSync, turn it off to reduce input lag. Texture quality, lower this setting to reduce strain on the GPU. Shadows and effects, set them to low or medium to improve performance. Anti-aliasing, try disabling or lowering it to reduce GPU load, and then simply relaunch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, the next solution is disable background application. So make a right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. Guys, here you will see all unnecessary background application. Now make a right click on all of these that are unnecessary and just click on the end task. Then go to the startups and here just disable all of these, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage. So make a right click on all of these that are unnecessary and just disable these. Now the next setting is adjust power settings. So go to the Windows search and just type here the control panel and open it. Now just select the view bar to the large icons on the top, then just click on the option of power options. Now here just click on the option of create a power plan, then just select here the high performance power plan, then just click on the option of next, then just create it. Once you created the high performance power plan, then simply relaunch the game, then check. If your problem is still not fixed, then check for game updates and Windows updates. Sometimes the developer release patches addressing optimization issues. Make sure game is updated to the latest version via Steam or your gaming platform. And you also need to make sure that your Windows is completely updated to the latest version. Then relaunch the game, then check. Still not working, then verify integrity of game files. So simply go to your game properties on the Steam, then click on the install file, then just click on the option of verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, you just need to wait for it, then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. If your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is disable full screen optimization. So simply open up the Steam, go to your game properties, click on the install files, click on the browse option, and guys here simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on it, go to its properties. Now just go to the compatibility. Now here just check this box of disable full screen optimization and run the program as an administrator, then click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just check this box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8, then click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just leave it. Now the next solution that you can try is the solution reinstall the game. If none of the above solution work, try uninstalling and reinstalling. This can resolve underlying issues with the game installation. Now try all of the solution and see which work for you, and I hope one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.